I will adjust just a little bit.
The gap is fine. Just
Yeah.
go back a little bit more.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. So now.
No. Secure your car. So this gap is okay. But if you want to practice, so anybody who's watching this as well, guys, so if you're slightly out and if you want to go back in, so do what Liliana is going to be doing. So what's the plan B if you want to go back closer, Liliana? What would you do?
So quarter to the left.
Okay, let's do this for me.
Yeah. Okay, so quarter to the left.
Okay. Observation.
Observation, yeah. Okay. A bit more. Just a little bit like this. And now quarter to the right.
Good. So
Observation.
she's doing quarter to the right to make the car straight, yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, so until I will be parallel. So now
Good.
three the tires.
There you go.
Okay.
Well done, Liliana. Any problem, any questions?
No. Now
Good.
I know.
Happy with this?
Yeah.